Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be discussing about the accounting for issue of debentures, considering the terms and condition of redemption of debentures. So as we know, debentures are the liabilities of the company. Debentures क्या है? Companies पे liabilities होती है because debenture is considered as long term loans. कंपनी क्या करती है? Debentures issue करती है और उसके बदले long term loan raise करती है. And the repayment of debenture is called the redemption of debentures. So redemption क्या है? जब उस debenture का हम repayment करते हैं, that is redemption. कंपनी लोन रेज करती है, उसके बाद उस लोन का repayment करना होता है. So that is known as redemption of debentures. Now the repayment of debenture is made by the company according to the terms of issue. So as we have learned, there are three possibilities of issue of debentures, which means a company can issue debentures at par, at premium and at discount. But when it comes to the redemption of debentures, then there are two possibilities of redemption, which means the debentures can be redeemed at par or at premium. Repayment of debentures can be done at par or at premium. For example, if a company issues debentures of rupees 100 to A, that means a company is raising a loan of rupees 100 from A. Now at the time of repayment of debentures, or we can say at the time of redemption of debentures, the company will pay the amount of rupees 100 or more than 100, but it cannot pay the amount less than the issued price. मतलब अगर कंपनी किसी पर्सन को 100 रुपीज़ का लोन देती है तो एट द टाइम ऑफ रीपेमेंट कंपनी या तो उस पर्सन से 100 रुपीज़ कलेक्ट करेगी या फिर 100 से ज़्यादा कलेक्ट करेगी, लेकिन 100 से कम कलेक्ट नहीं करेगी. दैट इज़ वाई देर आर टू पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ रिडेम्पशन. आइदर इट इज़ रिडीम्ड एट पार और एट प्रीमियम. या तो सेम अमाउंट कलेक्ट कर रही है, दैट मीन्स एट पार, या तो उससे ज़्यादा अमाउंट कलेक्ट करेगी, विच मीन्स redeemed at premium. So company can issue the debentures at par, premium and discount, which means there are three possibilities at the time of issue of debentures, but at the time of redemption there are only two possibilities, at par or at premium. So there are 6 cases for issue of debentures and redemption of debentures. First case is when debentures are issued at par and redeemed at par. Second is when debentures issued at premium and redeemed at par. Debentures issued at discount, redeemed at par. Debentures issued at par, redeemed at premium. Debentures issued at premium, redeemed at par. And the debentures issued at discount and redeemed at premium. Now here is the issued price. Let the issued price be rupees 100. Discount on issue of debentures rupees 5. Premium on issue of debentures rupees 5 and premium on redemption of debentures rupees 10. Now the first condition is when the debentures are issued at par and redeemable at par, which means company has issued the debentures at par. Issued price was rupees 100. So company has issued the debentures of rupees 100 and at the time of repayment, company has repaid the debentures at par, which means company has repaid the full amount that was issued, that is rupees 100. So first we will make the entry for receiving the lump sum money. Lump sum money means receiving all the money of calls and allotment along with application. So the entry for receiving the application money will be bank account debit to debentures application account. Issued amount was 100, so the amount will be 100. Amount received will be rupees 100. Next is transferring the application money to debentures account. So the entry will be debentures application account debit to 10% debentures account. So 100 rupees was received on application. Now 100 rupees will be transferred to debentures account. सो इस केस में कंपनी ने जितना अमाउंट इशू किया है उतना ही अमाउंट रीपे किया है. So at the time of redemption at par, no entry will be passed on redemption of debentures because company has repaid the same amount which has been issued. Second condition is when debentures are issued at premium means the amount which is above the face value, and debentures are redeemable at par. So as we know, whenever the redemption of debenture is at par, we will not make any extra entry for that. In that case, only issue of debentures entry is passed. So the entry for receiving application money along with the premium will be bank account debit to debentures application account, and the total amount is 105. Next entry is transferring the application money to the debentures account and opening a separate account for securities premium reserve, because it is a capital profit, so it is credited with the amount rupees 5. So the entry is debentures application account debit to 10% debentures account to securities premium reserve account. Next condition is debentures issued at discount and redeemable at par, which means debentures are issued at the value which is less than the face value and it is redeemable at par. So we know when the debentures are redeemable at par, no extra entry is made for the redemption of debentures. That means entry for issue of debentures at discount will be made. So the first entry will be on receiving the application money, bank account debit to debentures application account. As we know, the face value was rupees 100 and the discount amount is 5. So 100 minus 5 is 95. Second entry will be debentures account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit. Discount on issue of debentures is debited because discount is a loss and loss is always debited to 10% debentures account. Application money received is 95, discount amount was 5 and debentures account will be credited with the total amount 100. Next condition is debentures issued at par and redeemable at premium, which means company has issued the debentures at par of rupees 100 and it has redeemed the debentures at premium, and premium on redemption amount is rupees 10. So the company has redeemed the debentures at a premium of rupees 10. That means total amount is 100 plus 10, 110. इसका मतलब है अगर कंपनी किसी से 100 रुपीज़ का लोन रेज करती है तो उसके रीपेमेंट के लिए जो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट कंपनी पे कर रही है दैट इज प्रीमियम ऑन रिडेम्पशन. So here debentures are redeemed at premium, so there will be an entry for the redemption of debentures along with the issue of debentures. Now the first entry will be on receiving the application money, and the entry will be bank account debit to debentures application account. As debentures were issued at par, so the amount will be rupees 100. Application money received will be rupees 100. Next entry will be transferring the application money to the debentures account. So the entry is debentures application account debit to 10% debentures account and the amount is 100. But when the debentures are redeemed at premium, it means that the company will pay a premium at the time of their redemption. But it is a known loss, so company records such loss at the time of issue by debiting an account called loss on issue of debentures. मतलब कंपनी ने डिबेंचर्स इशू किए हैं पार में, यानी 100 रुपये में डिबेंचर्स इशू किए हैं, लेकिन जब डिबेंचर्स का अमाउंट वापस करना होता है तो कंपनी उसको किस में कर रही है, प्रीमियम में अमाउंट रीपे कर रही है, यानी एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट में अमाउंट रीपे कर रही है. तो ये कंपनी के लिए क्या है, एक नोन लॉस है क्योंकि 100 रुपये में तो इशू किया है और रीपेमेंट कितना कर रही है 110. जो 10 रुपये है वो क्या है, कंपनी के लिए लॉस है, एक नोन लॉस है. तो कंपनी क्या करती है, इस लॉस को इशू के टाइम पे ही रिकॉर्ड कर देती है. और कैसे रिकॉर्ड करती है, बाय डेबिटिंग द लॉस ऑन इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट ऑफ ₹10 and the premium on redemption is credited to balance the remaining amount. So the entry will be debentures application account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit to 10% debentures account to premium on redemption account. Next condition is debentures issued at premium and redeemable at premium. So debentures issue किए हैं premium में, that is premium का amount है ₹5. That means debentures are issued at 105 and it is redeemed at premium on redemption, that is ₹10. So the debentures are redeemed at 110. So here first we will make the entry of issue of debentures at premium. First entry will be bank account debit to debentures application account. That this entry is for receiving the application money along with premium amount. So the total amount that is received on application along with premium is 105. Next entry will be on transferring the application money to debentures account and securities premium account. So the entry is debentures application account debit to 10% debentures account to securities premium reserve account. Application money total received is 105. Amount that will be transferred to debentures account will be 100 and the premium amount was ₹5. So as we know, debentures are redeemed at premium, which means the company will have to make extra payment while repaying the amount of debentures, and here the premium on redemption amount is ₹10. So premium on redemption is a loss for the company, and the company records such loss at the time of issue by debiting an account called loss on issue of debentures account, and the loss on issue of debentures is ₹10. And at last, to balance the total amount, we will credit the premium on redemption account with the amount ₹10. So the entry will be debentures application account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit to 10% debentures account to securities premium reserve account to premium on redemption account. Now the last condition is debentures issued at discount and redeemable at premium. So here the company has issued the debentures at a discount of ₹5 and the company has redeemed the debentures at a premium of ₹10. So first we will make the entry on issue of debentures at discount, and the entry for receiving the application money will be bank account debit to debentures application account with the amount 95, as the face value was 100 and the discount amount is ₹5. So 100 minus 5 is 95. Next entry will be transferring the application money to the debentures account. So debentures application account debit, and it is debited with the amount 95 as the application money received is 95. Discount on issue of debentures will be debited because discount is a loss for the company, so it will be debited with the amount 5 as the discount amount was ₹5. Loss on issue of debentures account will be debited with the amount 10 because the premium on redemption is a known loss for the company and the company records such loss at the time of issue of debentures. To 10% debentures account, 10% debentures account will be ₹100. To premium on redemption account, ₹10, because the premium on redemption account is credited to balance the whole amount. So we have discussed all the 6 cases of redemption of debentures in terms of issue of debentures. In the next session, we'll do some practical question based on these cases. That's all for today. Thank you.